from Zamboanga. Yes, welcome back to another channel. Thank you so much for watching. First time watching this channel, never met me. I'm Boss Kirk, who travels around the world to lots of interesting places to encourage tourists to travel. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing even a little 4K walk, guys, and I'm going to be showing you a lot of nice places. Don't forget to always like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much, and let us get into this video. Yes, Chris, what's up?
I was telling them to have a higher pitched voice and sound feminine, not always across like they're like the voices are the same in Manila, in Makati, everywhere we go.
Yes.
They have the same tone when kids bake.
Oh,
But
congratulations. Oh, they having something here. They had something here before. Oh, it's something to do with graduation. It's graduation. Yes, they celebrate something. That's what I thought at first. But you see, little cap, the hat they have up here, like when you graduate.
Graduation.
Yes, that's right. It's quite like, I like the way they do the bench over there. They paint it in nice red, nice white, nice black. Everything is very stylish. Good evening. Hello. Good evening. Don't be shy. Yes, good evening. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, let's get that name over there. That's the name of this city here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get you the name of this city. You can come and chill out here as well, guys. It's such a peaceful city. It's a small city, but it is actually peaceful. It is a peaceful city. Here we go, guys. Zamboanga. There it is, guys. And there's a nice little park over here. The sun is quite hot, guys. It is really, really hot. Time now is after 4 in the evening. But the sun is still baking, guys. Still baking. I'm actually sweating here. And we got my friend Chris is over here with his missus as well, you know. So, yes, guys. So he's the one I come to visit, and he's the one that is my tour guide in this video, taking me around, you know, showing me. And I literally appreciate it. Yes. Oh, my little fans. Hello, hello, my little fans. No, they want money. No.
One in the middle there with the black t-shirt.
Mama.
Yes, my little fan.
No, I see Mama. No, I see.
Talk about student life. Like, be a student here, how is that? Environment, how much does it cost? Find out the life of a student here.
That's quite a good idea.
What it's like to be a student
In Zamboanga. Oh, so it's time to know the cost of living here in Zamboanga, which is right over there, guys. That's right. And they're gonna run away from you, but they're student, yeah. Oh, look at that over there, guys. That's quite nice. I really like that over there. Yes. Keep looking at me, yeah? Yeah, too. No, come back here. Hey, oh yeah. He's shy. No shy. It's okay. It's okay. He's shy. Good evening, student. Are you students, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I was going to say, what is the cost of living here in Zamboanga? Yes, don't be shy. Let's go around here. Cause you know, don't be shy. It's okay. You know, I mean, is it expensive? Is it very expensive here?
Yeah, expensive.
Really? What is the cost of living here?
Cost of living
Yeah, in Zamboanga. What's the cost of living? Okay. Fish ball, how much?
20.
Okay, so that means the cost of living here is cheap. Or maybe because I'm a foreigner, I'm thinking it's cheap, maybe. Yeah. But for a Filipino, the cost of living is very expensive. Yeah? Look over there as well, guys. What is that place over there?
Government center.
Oh, the government center. Okay, first it looked like a fire station for me. Yeah. But yeah, guys, it's a government. Yes, that would make a lot more sense, yeah. That would make a lot more sense. And right over this side, guys, look at the castle over this side. I really love that. That looks so beautiful over there. Yes, really nice. Look at the family. They look so nice. Look, they're such a nice couple, you know. Yes. Yeah. Anything to say to the fans, Jakers?
Hello guys, good afternoon.
What are we? What place are we in? Where are we now?
We are in Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte.
The north.
You can interview her.
The sun is in my face too much.
You can interview.
It's alright. I will cut that out. Go on.
Okay guys, by the way, we are here in Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte. This is just a municipality. This is not city, but it looks like city.
Well, I mean, I would say it is actually a city.
Yeah.
It is actually a city, to be honest.
Lots of stuff going on.
I see
Yes,
actually
look at-
lots of students. You will make like friends with them. There's a lot of fruits there in the fruit stand. And also look, Angela, the one of your favorite friend. Very nice
She's
eyes.
the one you should marry.
Yeah, you should marry her
Because
because
you both have 4 kids each. So.
Anything to say to the fans? Anything to say to Oh, you again. Yes. Anything to say to the fans?
Hi, welcome here in the
Hello. Hey, thank you.
Oh, I'm single.
No, I believe that you still have your husband. You're married. You are a married woman. Yes, married woman with 4 kids. So guys, 25 and you have 4 kids already at 25. So you had your first kid at what is 15?
15 years old.
Well, it must be. If you're 25 and you have 4 kids, you must have at least your first kid at 15 or maybe 14.
Yeah.
Wow, that is young. Oh my goodness, at 14, pregnant. I'm pregnant at 14. I showed him your face. I use yours. You're the thumbnail of the video.
Asa yung 30?
Yeah.
Bapa kayo kita ka. Harapin.
Bueno.
Punti ito mo, maglaas po ito ha. Harapin. Dito, kita dito. Harapin ba?
Good evening. Ate. Ate. Good evening. I have to call it her. Maybe she don't expect a further. There's too many people asking for pictures, asking for this and that. Yes, something like that. Doesn't matter where you're going, Philippines. This is a clothes shop here. You know, where they sell nice items. Hello everyone. Yeah, where they sell cheap items and things like that. So you come here, guys. What's the name of your shop? Irish, okay. You need to put a name here.
I'm just trading.
Okay, I'm just spreading. Okay, salamat. Hello. Yes, and this is another shop you can get cheap things. Hello, good evening. Hi. Yes, another shop you can get cheap things there. Yes. Anyway, let's walk along this way. Oh, look at that. Family of 5 on the bike. Wow, what's up? Hello, hello. Yeah, family of 5. So the bike, I've got 5 people. That's 5 people is on one bike. See this here, bacon. Hello. Yeah, yeah. Hi. Oh, this is a coconut here.
Pull off the container. Just pour it in there.
Oh, you already got water in it.
Yeah.
And this guy meant to sell the best coconut juice here. The best ever.
You really want to fill it, or you just want it to pop?
Just a cup because I already got water in it and it's nice and cool.
Just two. Because I'm not really thirsty. I feel very full up and addicted. Just 2. Not 3, just do it.
Yeah.
That's for you. I'm not thirsty.
Okay, that's for me?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
I'm really, really full. I cannot drink.
Yes,
I got all that beach and stuff all by myself. That's 2 cans. Plus I had so I've had
My God, absolutely damn delicious. You know? Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thanks. Salamat. Hello. Good evening. They always got ropes over all these things, huh? Simple province life with Ate, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, it's really a good price, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, Ate Masarap. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. They're so amazing about my height here in Philippines, guys. So I'm very famous in this country.